How to generate analytics dashboards in Zoho CRM. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Zoho CRM website. After you are in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of web interface. Now, in order to generate analytics dashboards, you need to go to the dashboard section. Here in this home screen, in the top left corner, you can see this chart icon. Tap on it. Now you'll be prompted to the dashboards page. Over here, you will see a list of all your dashboards. Now, in order to generate the analytics dashboards, you can create a new dashboard over here. Tap on this plus icon right beside dashboard. Provide the name for your dashboard first. You can also provide the descriptions for it. Now you can add the components into your dashboard. In the left hand side, you can see different components option. You can add charts, you can add KPIs, comparator, target meter, funnel, quadrant, zone. You can select the components according to your needs. You can select the types. You can provide the further names. Select according to your needs. After you configure all of these, your dashboard will be successfully created. So that's how we can generate analytics dashboards in Zoho CRM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.